guys, my name is Robert PRODAN, but we're doing experiment. Before doing experiments, I want to tell you, be safety rule from this experiment because we're doing sugar snake. At the end, my mom is going to put fire. Thus, I put my gloves on, now I'm going to put my glasses on. And now, what's this again, Holly?
Stove.
I have my stove. First, Mom is gonna open this, and then I wanna stand. If I open the cap, I will make something cool, baby. So then I will get this one and I will put it like. So then I grab one of this and I put it right here. I put it in the yellow snake. Then I keep right this. Then I'm gonna grab this. Then I'm gonna grab how much? Oh, like this. How much I want?
Read in the instruction.
Huh? 3 big spoons. The big spoon. Okay, I have 1 big spoon, Mommy. 1. Just let me see how much. Oh, this one. Then. Oopsie, too much. So I'll count on the floor, Mommy. Can you put it back?
It's okay.
Just let me put some salt in.
This is sugar.
Sugar. Just let me put the sugar on.
It's okay.
That's okay. What did I made it? So. Okay, then we're done. When we're done.
Did you add 3 spoons?
Yep, I did. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I mix it for 10 minutes. So then
10 seconds.
10 seconds. Then I'm going to put it right over here. Then I'm going to grab a phone. Like this. Then I'm going to grab one of this, put it here. Let me see. How we do it? Can you fix this, Mommy? Like this. Let's do it like this. Then we can get what? Look, let me put it as a triangle. And then I'm gonna do like this. Oh, very great. Looks like we need one more, like a triangle. Let me turn a triangle. Oh wait, where's it going? What? Okay, I turned it to a triangle. Now let's see what. And then we turn it to we make walls here. It looks like walls. We did make walls, so then the next thing we're gonna do is we also pushed it in. Then I have one of this. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in the middle right here. Then I'm gonna put this. What a tray! I need one more of this. So keep it right here. There no more? Oh, that's okay, Mommy. It will fall in the tray. Then can you open this, Mommy? Then my mom is gonna open it and give me the cap too, Mommy. I will close it. So then I'm gonna put it right here. Then what I'm gonna do? Now it's time for fire, Mommy. Now it's time for fire. Uh-oh. What? Wait. Huh? What? If you make this experiment, it's kind of cool. Don't blow up your house, though. Do not put it on your floor, walls, glass, or anything. Just keep it on the tray and it would be just safe. Just on the tray, like I put it on the tray. Mommy! Daddy! Now it's your turn to make your own sugar snake, or you can be purple sugar snake. Now it's your turn to make your own one.